If you want to make sure your laundry load gets really saturated, try out the deep fill option. This setting will add extra water to the drum to ensure that every item in the load gets a deep soak. To use this option, power on your washer. Add your load of laundry to the drum, add detergent as desired, and close the lid. Now select your cycle. Note that this option is not compatible with the normal, bedding, spin-only, or self-clean cycles. Next, set your desired water temperature, number of rinses, spin speed, and soil level. Now you can select additional options. Press Deep Fill. Hold the Start button to begin the cycle. This option will add a little extra time to your laundry load, but trust me, it'll be worth it.